So hey, what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. If you're Redmi Note 10 Pro or Redmi Note 10 Pro Max user, a good news is here. You get the Android 12 based OctaviOS official version. Finally, it's great. I'm using from maybe some hours till now. It's actually quite good. Didn't got any kind of major bugs honestly, and this is just from the great ones out there. Android 12 based custom ROMs are actually quite good, and this might be one of those. OctaviOS, I made a video on OctaviOS 3.0 hands-on just maybe 20 hours ago. You can simply move on, check out there, but this one is just device specific things, that which are the things you get here. You can see the power menu looks better. The default UI is same like the previous one, so yes, no major changes here. It's kind of same here. Everything is kind of same. I don't think so any kind of major changes are present here. This is almost same like other Android 12 based ROMs. In the terms of other options, let me show you some things here. For example, the default launcher, as expectedly, it's Pixel Launcher, which means yes, you get all the Pixel features for you. In my thinking, in my opinion, Pixel Launcher is one of the best one always. I think so, but it's all about user preferences. You can use any other custom launcher also. Everything depends upon you. I think so Pixel Launcher is far better. Of course, alongside with the Pixel Launcher, these are some apps you get pre-installed. I haven't installed even maybe more than 2 apps. I just installed SafeNet and YouTube. Everything else is same. Only 9 apps or maybe 10 or 11 apps you get pre-installed. That's actually good that this is kind of deblotted, no extra bloatware apps available for you. And the terms of SafeNet status, which matters a lot for all the users, as if you want to use this build as your daily driver, make sure the SafeNet status should pass, and yes, it is passing successfully. You can see the SafeNet status is passing, which means you will be able to use banking apps on your device. I don't think so you will have any kind of issues while using this build. You might face some bugs, as I previously mentioned in my previous videos also, that if you want to use these builds as your daily driver, I will not recommend you to install right now, because if this is your primary device, I will suggest you to wait for few days or few weeks. You might get proper stable working updates very soon. But still, if you want to give it a try, links are always available in the description. We are talking about the OctaviOS version 3.0, which has the latest October security patch. Latest Android 12 is inbuilt here. That's good. In the terms of camera section, of course, we have the Google Camera Go edition pre-installed, and finally something interesting, because a lot of custom ROMs I've tried till now, some custom ROMs didn't got any kind of camera, some have the normal snap camera, but finally we have Google Camera Go edition. And Google Camera Go edition, also the new one, you can see some features, timer, face and hands, and the new UI everywhere. I think so this is something really interesting one. If you're Redmi Note 10 Pro or Redmi Note 10 Pro Max user, I think so you will love this compared to the KangOS or even compared to the AOSP Plus custom ROMs based on Android 12. You also get the refresh rate related customizations for you, maximum, minimum. You can adjust that. That's also quite good that you have that option to customize. But alongside with that, there are no major changes. The customizations you get here are kind of same, and I made a video 20 hours ago, as I just mentioned you. You can simply check out there some changes or first look about OctaviOS 3.0. I think so this is good enough, and if you want to install this build, I'll provide you the link in the description. You can simply check out my website www.techcurrent.co.in. These were things I just want to let you know. I hope you like this. As always, if you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.